So I just got new parakeets yesterday. I just filmed a video about them. But to get about the topic, yeah. So I got these new parakeets yesterday, and then the blue one is Sunny, the one that I wanted to claim. Oh, they're talking. Yeah, Sunny. Sunny. Yeah, what do you need? What do you need? What do you need? And the green one is called Mitu. The green one's named Mitu. My sister named Mitu that. Then there's a bell over here which I can ring for you guys. Like, it's basically to ring for them, but just want you to see. There's one over here too. It's not properly attached. And sad truth about parakeets, they poo they do their business every 15 minutes. And that's gonna have to be cleaned. And that strip of something is actually roti that fell. And and yeah. In the last video I thought that they would be too nervous, but now I know that they aren't nervous. Maybe they are a little, but they're still talking. Hey, Sunny. Sunny? 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 Yeah, I think they want to talk to each other. Wait 1 second. Mitu? 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 Yeah, what do you need? What do you need? Look, people are watching you too. I don't want to scare you, but isn't that a good thing? People are gonna think you're so adorable. Oh, look, he's scratching. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Don't be nervous, don't be nervous. It's okay, it's okay. So I put this ladder tied to the same string as this bell. And then when I put it in, Mitu started zigzagging in the cage. Yeah, we didn't trim their wings because it would hurt them. I knew it would hurt them. 1 minute. My throat's just... 1 sec. Yeah, just 1 second. मैं पानी लूँ? मम्मी?
नहीं लो। ये बेवकूफ़ी का क्वेश्चन है।
Yeah, I'm coming right back. I'm coming back. And meanwhile, you can hear them talking. If you want more videos or you want to come on, I'm coming. Yeah, I'm back. I'm back. Let me just unfold it. Yeah, so here I am. Yeah, so you could hear them talking. Sunny? Sunny? Yeah. Look, I put my finger in. Still, I think they're a little bit shy right now, but they are talking. And I like how parakeets talk. I like how these birds talk. Sometimes they might, yeah, they chirp like birds, and of course they chirp like birds. Shahid Uber. And well, yeah, everyone would know. Yeah, everyone would know that parakeets would chirp, wouldn't they? Wouldn't people know? What happened? Yeah. Yeah. Chirp, come on. Come on, try to talk. Try to talk. It's okay. Come on. This isn't gonna do anything to you. The people who are watching aren't gonna do anything to you. It's okay. It's okay. Nothing to be afraid of. Yeah. For now, that's it for the parrots. Bye.